Jamaica, through sweet, sweet Jamaica, mulatta by skin color, standing strong as a proud black woman.
Maroon descendant, sharing the history of my ancestors, Nanny and Quao, outsmarted the British at Cunha Pass in Portland, where tourism began. The stunned red coat British thought he had Quao, then realized he only had the shirt in his hand. The big stone at Lookout Point still standing strong, overlooking the Rio Grande River, flowing through the land. Out of many one people, our motto welcomes diversification. Enough bloodlines run through the land. Rastafarians waiting to repatriate Ethiopia, Shashamaniland. Christians holding on to Jah's mighty hand. Yenkunku Pikibo fighting oppression. We own flesh and blood mental enslaving we with white man's currency in this nation. Tourists lick them finger nyamming bickle we prepare from the land. Blue jaws, bami, roast yam. Busu soup, manish water, spicy jerk pork, and coney meat make us strong. Years to come, Pickney still chant redemption songs. Congo drums uniting our nation. Learning the adjectives, verbs, and nouns. Shaking them with word power and sounds. While adjusting my crown. Until then, chamu chamu, yedeng, yedeng.